being really in touch with why you want to do this course, why it's so important to you that you want this qualification or you want this change in your career or you want to upskill, whatever the reason is. Being in touch with that when things get tough is what will keep you moving forward. A couple of years ago, my husband got very, very sick, and he'd been the one earning the regular, predictable income. And it was a real wake-up call for me that I needed to have a stable income to support myself, my kids, my family. So I had been looking to learn how to code. And then I heard about Code Institute, and it seemed to tick all the boxes for what I was looking for, and it was a done deal. So the course is remote, which means I can work from home at my own pace, in my own time. I can work when the kids are in school, I can work when the kids have gone to bed. It made it much, much easier for me to study when I wanted to study, rather than it being a classroom situation where I had to turn up at specific times for everybody. Having the support available, having a mentor who is in the industry, who can provide me with the industry standards that are expected. The support from the tutors being there, that I could just, log into the site and ask a question. That was, what I was looking for. So this course has given me the skill set I need to find full-time work and a stable and predictable income, which was so important to me. It's